Ito kami nakasakay. Ito si Luz. Yan. Ito si Ma'am Nanette. Ito yung nagpapasyal sa amin.
Para mga hindi puyat eh, no? Oo nga, bakit gano'n? Ayun na, sila. Kita ko yan, no? Kasi hindi na kayo. Masyado na cute. Wala, nasa labas na kami. Wait. Hindi, pupunta lang kami daw sa
Babalik pa lang una na.
namimili lang. Thank you ha. Happy birthday ulit. Okay.
Sino may birthday?
Sa loob na kami ng base ng
Kwarto.
Pwede ka bang mag-video?
Well,
dito yung Thunderbirds.
may mga ano yan, mga malalaki na yun.
Ayan, Thunderbirds.
Ito yung first.
Parang ganito, no?
So, haplusin mo baka swerte. Kengkoy pa, kengkoy.
Alright. Is that good? Everybody can hear this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lost Meadow, they're clear to taxi in on Asbury to runway 12. Winds are currently 180 at 10 knots. Ceiling is unlimited, visibility is unrestricted.
Kilabo. May babae pa, no?
Diba, iyan na pula.
Yun, no? Parang
The most advanced and respected air power and support capabilities in the world. A noble symbol of freedom and a serious projection of America's military might. Guardians of a proud tradition first launched more than 50 years ago at the beginning of the jet age. These airmen have transitioned over the decades through an inventory of distinguished military jets and frontline fighters with names that echo down the storied halls of aviation history. Super Saber, Thunder Chief, Phantom, Talon, and today, the mighty Fighting Falcon. From their fabled past to their present incarnation, this team is the premier air demonstration squadron of the world's most elite air and space force. They are the best of the best, a squadron of the finest U.S. Air Force professionals, teamed together for the purpose of demonstrating flying skill, raw power, and the ability to achieve uncontested air dominance anywhere, anytime. They are the United States Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron. They are known to all the world as the Thunderbirds. From March to November, the Thunderbirds use the sky as their canvas to paint a portrait of American military power. Using breathtaking maneuvers and close precision formations, honed to perfection by months and years of training, they portray a sunlit spectacle of sound and color. They have thrilled millions, creating a matchless aerial ballet that never fails to generate wonder and amazement in audiences around the globe. But every air show, however spectacular, has its roots planted firmly on the ground. The Thunderbird Air Show is an end result of work that begins here in the Thunderbird hangar, its maintenance and administrative facilities and briefing rooms. It begins with aggressive attention to detail, with uncompromising commitment to absolute excellence, and with the sheer hard work of more than 120 men and women who comprise the Thunderbird support team. The support team includes volunteers from the ranks of the Air Force's top enlisted personnel. They are a cross-section of the United States Air Force, representing more than 25 career fields, from maintenance crew chiefs and administrative support personnel to jet engine and communication specialists. The dedicated professionalism of the support team represents an unbroken record of success. In more than 50 years, no Thunderbird Air Show has ever been canceled due to maintenance difficulty. These are the men and women who make it possible. They may not fly the aircraft, but they make the aircraft fly. And in doing so, they experience the pride firsthand for the flawless display of breathtaking boldness and beauty in every Thunderbird Air Show. The amazing choreography of wingtip to wingtip formations and stunning maneuvers performed by the Thunderbird flight team represent the classic skills and techniques that are part of every Air Force pilot's training. Combat-proven tactics are on display, as well as demonstrations of flying abilities demanding absolute precision and control. Speed, lethality, and power are wrapped in the sound and fury of 6 Lockheed Martin F-16s, an experience unimaginable until seen firsthand, and unforgettable afterward. Powered by the Pratt & Whitney F100 PW220 engine, generating more than 30,000 pounds of thrust, the F-16 is the most sought-after fighter in the world, combining air-to-air combat roles, as well as precision bombing and close air support. With consummate skill and determination, coolness and concentration, the Thunderbirds roar through their complex aerial dance, burning the skies and touching the hearts and imaginations of millions around the world each year. They touch the world in other ways as well. Some of the most important work of the Thunderbirds is accomplished outside the cockpit, in the community, before and after the air show. They come back down to earth to present the human face of the Air Force erasing the distance between the air show and the people in the communities across America and around the world. They are the ambassadors of American values, revealing the best and the bravest that America has to offer, meeting people face to face, speaking to community groups, reaching out in schools and hospitals, and inspiring America's youth to choose a career that's a step above. They are the Thunderbird team, representing America's military, the men and women who stand every day at the front lines of freedom with courage, dedication, and commitment. They are your ambassadors in blue, the United States Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron, the Thunderbirds.
Right, Foster, clear takeoff, runway 13, winds are 170, 12 gust 20, stand by for the retran. You the man! You the heat! Thunderbird, let's win them up. On the road. Unclear.
Galing din ang mga camera niya.
042, got a 5. Stand by 6. Select center right now. 3, 4. I'm check 149, okay. 248, okay. 349, okay. So, okay. 636, okay. Night bang. Solo's ready. Hit it. Show center. Air everybody now. Approaching the line. What's up, everybody?
Kamali ka doon. Pero meron nga ito nagkamali na.
Meron. Pinalabas yun sa ano eh.
Baliktad.
Ease it forward. Slow roll.
Si Tom Cruise yun. Top Gun. Hindi ba yun? Top Gun. Parang meron ko na lagi pinapanood.
One pitch left.
Ganda. Thank you. Here.
Alright, come out and see the exam. The exam is chronological order. The team's inception in 1953. Up here, the names. Up here.
Hindi mo ginagamit ba?
Yes, ma'am. They fly 6 in the show. But there's, for right, you have 2 spares normally at the show, and then we have and then you have just a couple extras. Yes. Yes.
Ganda na po. Galing ng mga camera, no?
You know, I told him, I was like, no, one person come see me, people that come to see me, and other people. Off the commander's right wing, and then Major Samantha Weeks is our opposing solo.
Ito yung will graduate yan.
Oo,
Sa
nag
mga
graduate
pilot.
siya. To be a pilot.
Whenever you folks are ready, we can actually step into the hangar.
Okay.
You guys want to go to the hangar?
Yeah.
This is our cockpit trainer.
You wanna get off?
This is what it looks like inside.
Yeah? Okay.
Can we get up?
Yeah, you can try. I don't
That's okay.
It's
I just,
tight.
I just,
get in.
no, just,
That's how it feels to be on the plane.
like my son. He wants to
Sige.
be a pilot. That he wants to be a pilot.
It's more like the
Ito mismo yung ano sa loob ng Thunderbird na ginagamit
No,
nila
that's it. That's all. Yeah, that's all. That's all it does.
That's more like looks like a
Oh no, no, it's just a.
I will take a picture here.
In the video, yes. You come out, you can't touch the hatch, you have to slide out.
Ito mismo yan, yung Thunderbird na aeroplano.
Certain direction and all that kind of stuff.
Yung nakikita natin kanina doon sa TV. Siya.
Yes. Yes. If you guys want to go stand up over there.
Bawal. Sige, mama, dali, lapit ka.
Ay, wait ko lang dati. Ready, more.
Outside you can take. Outside you can take pictures.
Okay.
Okay. But just the Thunderbird. Not the. Actually, right here, right here.
Okay.
Basta yung Thunderbird lang ang tulad ko doon. Pinantay tayo.
You can stand right there.